hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make these beautiful name bracelets. They look so amazing and they are super easy to make. Before we get started, don't forget to join me on Facebook and Instagram. I will leave you all the links down in the description box. Let's get started. We're gonna need some strings, any kind of string you want. Here I'm using macrame string, or you can use nylon knotting cord. We're gonna need scissors, lighter, a ruler, paper clip. I'm using also these beads. I bought them from AliExpress. You will find the link down in the description box. I'm using also these pendants. You can use any pendant you have. Here I'm using the heart pendants. These metal circles. We're gonna need 2 from the big size and 4 from the small size. We're gonna need also a small plier. We're gonna start by cutting one piece of the knotting cord, approximately 32 inches. Once you cut it, don't forget to burn the last parts of the cord, using the lighter of course. Then we're going to fix the cord on the table or on the surface you're working on. Before we fix it, we're gonna mark 4.5 inches or 11 centimeters. We're gonna mark it by the scissors. And then we're going to put a heavy thing on the cord like a book, and the paper clip we're gonna put it at the end of the cord, so the cord will be fixed, and this way it's gonna be easier for us to make knots. Cut a second piece of the knotting cord, approximately 50 inches, and like usual, don't forget to burn the last parts of the cord. Centrate it across the stationary middle strand, and then we're going to start making knots. Take the right string, go over the middle one, and then take the left string, go over the right one and under the middle one, and through the loop that has been formed from the right. Since we have started from the right before, we have to start from the left side now. Take the left string over the middle one, and then take the right string over the left one and under the middle one and through the loop that has been formed from the left side. Make few more knots, keeping in mind that you have to start from the opposite side for each knot. To make it easier for you, just know that you have to make the letter P from the right and from the left you have to make the letter Q. We're gonna keep making knots until we reach the length that we want according to the wrist size. For me, I want to reach 1.5 inches, approximately 4 centimeters. Now that I have reached 1.5 inches, now I'm going to start adding the beads. This is super easy. All you have to do is take off the paper clip and slide the beads on the middle stationary string all the way to the square knots. Then put the paper clip back and just continue knotting as usual. The letter P from the right, and then the letter Q from the left. You can use any kind of beads you want. Here I'm making a name with these beads, and you can put as many beads as you want. I'm placing them close together, 2 knots, a bead, another 2 knots, a bead again, and so on. For the last part, make several knots again, one after another, to match the top piece of the bracelets, 1.5 inches. But this time, after 2 knots, add 1 metal circle from the big size, the one that we're gonna hang the pendants on. Continue knotting as usual, and the bracelet is almost finished. If you are following the steps, stop for 2 seconds and give this video a thumbs up. Cut the excess cord and be careful not to cut the middle one. Then melt the ends with the lighter. Now it's time to make the sliding closure, which will make it easy to put the bracelets on and off your wrist. Shape the bracelets into a circle and then cut one piece of the cord approximately 12 inches. And start making knots exactly like we did before. The letter P from the right, the Q from the left, P then Q, P then Q, and so on. This sliding closure is super practical. You can use it also to close other type of bracelets. Cut the excess cord and then melt the ends with the lighter. But be careful not to cut the middle string. Now, to make this bracelet more beautiful, add these small metal circles, 2 from each side. Finally, make a knot on each of these strings, cut away the excess string and melt the ends with the lighter. And now your bracelet is all done. But there is still the final touch of the pendant. This is the metal circle that we added at first to the knot. Now we have to add the other circle and the pendant, of course using the plier. Open the circle using the plier and the scissors. And then add it to the other circle. And now hang the pendants into the circle. Make sure to close it very tight so it will not open later. Et voila, the bracelet is all done. I really love how it turned out. I really hope you like these beautiful shamballa bracelets. This could be a really cute gift for your friends and family. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new to my channel. Okay, thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Peace!